Standing out here in my garage, guys, this is where I come out to read books like Tai Lopez, trying to make money on the internet. Just kidding. So I'm not trying to be a professional vlogger, but this is what we're doing here today, guys. I'm gonna go on a little walk for two reasons, and I have a message I think is gonna resonate with a lot of you guys. So this is what's happening, guys. Texas heat, a little hot, starting to sweat, hair's getting crazy, but this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So let me know if you guys have experienced this as well. So I was sitting at my desk, I work in software sales, I was making some cold calls, I was getting rejected a lot, just absolutely body bagged is what I like to call it. And I was sitting there thinking, I have to make a YouTube video today. My goal to myself is to make a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I have to make the videos in advance to get them out to you guys so that you can see them. And I was sitting there and a little bit of doubt was creeping through my mind. I was thinking, maybe I'll take the day off. I don't know if I should do it today. I don't know who's gonna care. But then I had to correct myself and think, doubt's natural. A lot of people face doubt, and you can't let that stop you. The message today in the title of this video, and I'm not trying to tell you guys how to live your life, but I thought this really helped me, is that perfection is the enemy of progress. If you're trying to do something, accomplish something in which the outcome is uncertain, you're not sure if you're gonna be able to do it, it's really hard, it's an uphill battle, you can't let inaction stop you, because the only way to get closer and incremental progress to that goal is just by doing and starting. So by not doing, by trying to wait to be perfect, you're never gonna actually end up doing it. So that's what I'm doing here with YouTube. A lot of my views recently have been down on the videos, which is fine. As long as this helps one person, that's all that matters. It doesn't really matter what anyone else thinks. But I just thought that this was a really important message for you guys, that perfection is the enemy of progress. If there's something that you've wanted to start doing, or you're already doing something but hesitant about it because it's really hard and it takes a lot of extra time, don't not do it because you're worried about not putting out a perfect product. A lot of my recent videos have not been great relative to what other people are putting out, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just creating content and I want to bring you guys videos that hopefully help in some way every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I'm not a vlogger. This isn't going to be natural. I usually sit in my room with all my fake books behind me, as you guys know. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this walking around. I had an idea today. I feel like it'd be cool to interview people and walk around and just doing things like there's channels where people eat hot wings and interview people. There's channels where people, Kevin Hart sit in hot tubs and interview people. So maybe I'll start interviewing people and walking. Who knows? Exercise and content at the same time, baby. Last thing before I end today's video, I want you guys to let me know in the comments below, what type of plant or bush is this? I've never seen this before. I live in Texas and I still don't know what it is. Keep going, guys. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Have a great weekend. See ya.